In this video, we're going to disable Microsoft Windows updates, and I'm going to show you how to do it in Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So how do we do that? There's a couple of different settings that we're going to need to change, and the first place that we need to go to do this is right click on the start menu, go to run, and type in gpedit.msc. This will open up the local computer policy editor. Now we're going to go to the computer configuration section. Let's go to administrative templates, Windows components, and then all the way on the bottom, we're going to go to Windows update. So in this section, I'm on Windows 11. We're going to expand this section and go to legacy policies. So let me sort this alphabetically, and please adjust your settings the same way that these are adjusted. Now keep in mind that some of them need to be enabled, some of them need to be disabled, and some of them are just left not configured because we just don't need them. So the only other place that we're going to change anything is manage end user experience. We're going to go to configure automatic updates and do disable. And if you need to pause this video, please do, and then set your settings the same way that these are set. And this is for Windows 11. Now if you're on Windows 10, the settings are going to be in a little bit of a different location, and they're not going to be in the legacy policies. They're just going to be under the Windows update section. So the right side is the Windows 10 settings, the left side is the latest Windows 11 settings. So please pause the video here and set your settings the same way that these are, depending on what operating system you're on. Now, after you do that, we have to change one more setting that we're going to get to by right-clicking on the bottom, going to Network and Internet Settings, and then click on Ethernet, and then where it says metered connection, we're going to enable that. So make sure that this is on, and this will prevent your computer from trying to download updates all the time because it'll think you're on a metered connection. So not to waste your bandwidth, it's gonna minimize or not look for updates as frequently as it normally would otherwise. So this will work with these settings. Now, the last thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna download a program called Windows Update Blocker. And the way we're gonna get there is by going to sortum.org, and then from there, scroll down to this section where it says Our Software, and click on Windows Update Blocker. Now, if this pops up, it's just an ad. Click on the X button and scroll all the way to the bottom. And don't click on the Start Download or Start Now buttons. Those are ads. Bypass that and keep going to the bottom. All the way at the very bottom of the page, there's a section that says Download. Click Download and just give it a couple seconds. It'll automatically start downloading the file for you. Now, when that is downloaded, go to the folder, right click on it, do extract all, do extract, and go into the folder where it was just extracted to. Now, this program will automatically disable the update services for you and keep them disabled. Windows has a protection mechanism built in that automatically turns those services on. So even if you disable them manually, it automatically just turns them on to periodically check for new updates anyway. So we're going to be using this program on top of all the settings that we already enabled. So once this program is open, you want to enable disable updates and protect services settings. So when you do apply now, you're going to see the service status changes to this red color, which means the update services are disabled and they're protected from being re-enabled by Windows. And we can check this by going to settings, go to Windows Update, and if you try to get the updates, you're going to get this error encountered, which means we successfully disabled Windows updates and you shouldn't get updates in the future. Now, of course, if you wanted to reverse this, you would just do enable updates, apply now, and this program will put them back, and then you'll be able to download updates normally. So this is the best way that would disable Windows updates on your computer. Safe way to do it. And I hope this helped you out. I hope you're able to follow through, disable the settings, turn off Windows updates. And if you stuck around this long in the video, I appreciate the time. I hope you found value in it. Leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.